There's one last functionality that we can test inside our routing application. What happens when we click our Nav Links? Well, their specific component should be loaded. For example, if we click the home button from the navbar, we should see the home component, about, posts, and so on. Let's see how we can do this. And I will continue this routes config test.tsx. But since these are a different set of tests, inside this file I will create a new describe block. And we will do it just as before. Let me first write the first test. And this should be an asynchronous test because we will have an asynchronous operation, the user.click. So what we want to do, we want to first render our component, our app with routes. Then we want to import a user event from React testing library. We have the user event. So I will import it upstairs, this user event. So now we can create a user with user event.setup, and we should also access the home button. We can simply use a simple query from inside our screen. We can get it by text. I haven't added data test IDs to these buttons. If you want, you can take this approach. I will get them by text. And then we can simply click the button with user.click and then the home button. And at this point, our home component should be loaded. Let's see if this is the case. I will add an assertion. So we are getting the home from the screen get by test ID. We expect the home mock, and let's see if this is in the document. Yes, the component is loaded, so we are green. That's very nice. Let's also create the other tests. For example, maybe when a user clicks on the about button, and it is like this. We are rendering the app with routes, and we want to click the about component or the about button, and we have the about. All right, this test also works. I will complete the other tests, maybe for the post component. All right, I have wrote a test also for the post component. Very nice. I saw from experience that with just this approach, when we are clicking a button, with just it can be problematic because it might give an error that it doesn't recognize the request library. I had this problem with Jest, and if you also have this problem, you can write or you can rewrite the global request button, the global request function. With this piece of code, I found it on Stack Overflow. So basically we are adding a request to the global object. I mean, we are rewriting it, and we are providing a mock implementation for the signal object. This only in case you are getting errors that the request function is not found. So we saw in this lecture how we can write tests for our actions inside Nav Links.